Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to add photos and videos in iMessage. First of all, tap open the Messages app from your iPhone or iPads, and then this will take you to the Message section, from where you can choose an existing conversation, or tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner to start a new one. Now in the to text box, type in the name of the contact or their number, and then after choosing the contact, go to the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Right in front of the chat box on the left, click the plus button to open up this expanded menu. From the drawer, tap on Photos. This will open up your recent images or albums. Tap on any photo or video to add it to your message. After you do that, click on Done at the top right, and then you can tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner to send the media to the chosen contact. After you do that, you will be able to add photos and videos in iMessage. You can also add a message before or after attaching your media. Just type it down in the text box and send it to the person. Just ensure you've given photos permission to iMessages, and then that's it. That's how you add photos and videos in iMessage using your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.